It's going to be kind of a two-part video. One is putting a new air filter into the nag, so I'll give you a part number that I used. Second part is going to be, I'm going to clean this up, paint it, because this is just, I don't like this. It's dirty. It's not acceptable for me. So this is the filter I used. It's maybe a MicroGard. It's a 2-micron filter. So I'm going to go ahead and replace that after I get it painted. The actual filter housing will be painted. This is the livelihood of a diesel engine is filters. So make sure you clean it well. Make sure you check on them and stuff pretty regularly, especially if you're working it in a severe duty cycle, which is dusty roads, stuff like that. Now, mine still has the little hat and everything intact. I'm going to leave it. I know a lot of people says cut it, but honestly, there's not that much restriction there, and it cuts down on the noise a lot, so there's that. I'm going to take and clean inside of here, and I'll paint that and stuff, because just imagine all that stuff there has the potential to get sucked into my engine. So I'm going to clean everything, paint it, that way that, so, you know, the cleanest environment possible for a filter to sit in that's not trying to contaminate it worse than what the outside air is. So with that said, let's get to it. Alright, so I went ahead and used mineral spirits and cleaned all the crud I could from around through here. It looks a ton better so far. The bottom half is up there in the front getting painted. Well, it's painted, it's getting dried. And then once this tacks up a few minutes more, I want to hit it with some engine enamel clear, just so it gives it a little extra protection. And then I'll drop the new filter in, and that'll be it for the video, because like I said, it's a simple thing. Only thing I did was cleaned it really good. Mineral spirits is a great thing for that. Cuts through the grease and oil. You'll need a small brush, some sandpaper. Grit doesn't really matter as much. I use like 150 grit, but you could get down to like 40 or 60 and be perfect for getting the scale rust out of this. But yeah, so far everything seems to be looking decent. Here's the bottom piece. Once you get up and close to it, you can see where the rust was. That'll never go away unless I sandblasted it, which I'm not going to be doing. But this was just me sprucing it up. It ain't perfect, but it's a lot better condition than it started with. So now that we've got the air filter in, the box is cleaned. Like I said, I scuffed everything up, wiped it down, painted it, and yeah, it doesn't look too bad. It makes the rest of the truck look like crap, but it's all done. A little bit of maintenance done for the day.